Yeah, man. Coming in. Yeah, man. What's up, guys? I'm back home. Back from the Chillers real life meetup, and let me tell you something. It was crazy, man. It was freaking crazy. So much fun. Watch the lives over the weekend, says Kevin Cook. Looked like a blast. Hope to be able to come next time if you do it again. Yeah, man. Dude, it was too much fun not to do it again. And I tell you, I learned a lot from it too, guys. We're going to do the option number 2. Hoist the secret medallion. Well, that would be option number E. But, yeah. I mean, I've been streaming for 3.5 years. Feel pretty good that I'll be streaming again in a year. You know what I mean? March was perfect. The day before was probably slightly better weather. More sunshine for the picnic. But today, it was windy. Like, pretty windy. So, I'm just thankful that we had a killer weather day. And as I hope the bluebonnets were blooming, the wildflowers on the side of the road, it was a beautiful drive for everybody. And it was just cool, man. It was so much fun. Wolf, what's up, my brother? How you doing, dude? Welcome, man. Adam Freeman, dude, it's going great. We talked about you. We talked about Rhodes. We talked about Caleb. We talked about so many of you guys this weekend, man. We literally were talking about all the chillers that were not there. They couldn't make it. You know? Yeah, dude, we did. You were missed, man. Believe me, you were missed. Jeff Conley, we were talking about Jeff. We talked about so many people from the stream, man. David Bassett. I had a few stickers left over. I had sticker packs that were donated by a viewer, and I made packages of these stickers. They're stickers like the same stickers we use on Facebook, What Would David Do, and Lurker Love, and all the different stickers that the subs get. And I made packages, and I sent them to all the mods, because I had just enough to send to the mods. And I'm like, cool. Do something for the freaking mods. They do something for you, right? Rhodes got one. Adam Freeman got one. How you doing, Rhodes? We talked about you, my brother. And I had a few left over. Excuse me. I had a few left over, so There's a Christian. Did I touch this? Guys, I'm talking. I did touch it. So I brought them to the picnic and gave those out. Billy Mullinex, guys. Billy Mullinex won the freaking hat. It's freaking crazy. Billy Mullinex won the orange Charlie Sardo Gaming Lucky Sub shirt that I made at VidCon 2022. The very exclusive Instagram Creator Lounge, guys. And Billy Mullinex won that, and then he freaking won the freaking shark, man. It's crazy. The shark with the freaking laser beams on his head. So it was just freaking hilarious, man. It was hilarious. Time has entered the chat. There he is. There's the two-time. The two-time, right? Billy. Rhodes in the house, folks. You gotta love to see it. Yeah, I'm gonna see Rhodes in a few weeks, man. Hell yeah, thank you, dude. What a great time. And I'll tell you, Billy left me a little note on my freaking truck, man, saying thanks for the great time and all that kind of thing, man. Billy, thank you for that, dude. That was very thoughtful, man. We were loading the truck. We were at the truck for 15 minutes 2 times before I got the hell out of there, man. I had so much stuff to move around and back to Courtney's car and this and that. And I didn't see the note on my window till I got in the car to drive away, and I'm like, huh, there's a note on my car. So thank you, Billy. Wolf says, good. I answered my own question. I had posted in an earlier stream, and no one had an answer, so I did my own testing for it. What was it? What was the question, Wolf? Looked like your eyes were closed. They were totally closed, man. Yeah. No, was it the one with Trey? Yeah, one of the pictures, my eyes were closed, man. It happened. And I probably posted it from my phone. There were probably 2 or 3, and I just was like, that one looks good, and I just clicked on it. So I did the classic close the eyes in the photo. I don't know if you guys noticed, man, but I swapped the cameras back, guys. A while ago, I used the coffee cam. I switched it to my face cam. Configure video. I feel like it's just a teeny bit bright, guys. I feel like it's a teeny bit bright, and I want to... That's how it looks on my end, man. Yeah, I want to bring it down just a hair, guys. Anything's better than what I had. So I had to do a bunch of work on the stream today to change, because the cam I was using felt blurry, man. Don McMahon brought it up and I couldn't unsee it, and I was having trouble with it and it wasn't digging it. And so the coffee cam is now been switched back to the other cam, which that could probably use a little brightness up on that, but that's still fine. Oh my God, this dude's shooting me already. I'm over here looking at the coffee cam, folks. Let me get you to the right page. Hey, I actually brought you back to the wrong page and noticed. Oh, this guy's freaking crazy. This guy's mad. Your question was, when Ronala shoots her full moon, and that's what would happen if we fired one back. Oh, okay. Would it dispel hers? Right. Would her moon dispel ours, or would they cancel each other out? And I'm sure they did not, right? Yeah. I do not know the answer to that. But I would guess it would not. It's just me with the stream blurry. Could just be on my end. Stop it, you're killing me, man. The whole stream? You're saying the stream is blurry? Let me see, I got 0 drop frames. Everything should be good. Ronaldo's full moon cancels ours. Oh, so if you have a full moon out, hers will cancel yours? My girl and I ran the table last night, too. Oh, did you play pool last night? Are you talking about pool? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Billy. Oh, Billy said figured it would be a good keepsake for you. Oh, yeah, absolutely, man. I kept it. This guy's level 400. I don't think I need that sacred tier, although I probably should go grab it. Yeah, if I use my moon and shoot it while hers is coming out to her, her moon will cancel. Oh, the player's moon. Interesting. I didn't know that. You played teams against Trey and Justin. You guys ran the freaking table? That's strong. That is strong, man. I didn't even notice, man. I was trying to move around and spend time with everybody, man, because, you know, I'd invited a lot of people too, a lot of friends for my open mic and stuff, because I do an open mic at Brass Hall every Tuesday, as I think most of you know. And so on Tuesdays, when I'd see people, I'd say, "Hey, we're having a party here Saturday night, 8 o'clock. You got to come. No cover." And usually when there's a band there, there's a cover. But and they asked me if I wanted to have a cover, and I said no cover. We just invested. We just invested from our personal funds to pay for the band, the stream funds, the stars, and all the freaking sub and all the freaking stuff that you guys freaking do for me. We put some back, folks, and it was free and it was fun. Oh God, yeah. Usually I run right through that guy. There's one more over here, I think. But that one I run through, and he usually snitches get stitches, folks. Okay, we managed to avoid. There's a second one. The dragon. He's still up, though. He's a little bit scary, guys. Oh, what is this? Crab eggs or something stupid? Oh, my God. Dude, that's a somber 8. LOS the stitches. This church does what? Nothing. There's no invasion here. So, yeah. So it was great, man. I had a great weekend, dude. I'm still a little bit high from it, a little bit exhausted from it, from all the excitement and all the. Because, guys, I mean, I did have some stress. I was pretty good, man. I was pretty good about not letting myself get flustered, not stressing about stuff. I'm getting better at timing things, man. You know, what time Courtney should meet me to go do the shopping. We had some shopping to do right before the picnic. We didn't have our potato salad. Oh my God, Courtney and I were carving up the loot today, folks. I sent some meat home with my daughter. Some no, not she didn't want barbecue because they don't really eat barbecue and they don't really eat leftovers. What I sent home with her was like some Diet Cokes and some cookies and some stuff like that, right? And oh, guys, you guys, if you guys had the barbecue for at the Chillers meetup, what do you think I had for lunch today, man? I don't think anyone touched a bun, like a hamburger bun. But man, I barbecued a couple pieces of brisket, doused them all in freaking barbecue sauce, stuck it on a bun, and that was my lunch, man. It was freaking great. I got a big tub of potato salad. I got macaroni and cheese. Guys, the ice chest is still in the back of my truck, man. The ice chest is still full of Dr. Peppers and waters and everything. Courtney took the drinks that she likes. She took those. I got Dr. Peppers in my truck. I don't drink them. There's an ice cold one out in the back of my truck right now. Still ice in there. I almost feel like I want to go get one, but I shouldn't because of sugar, and I don't usually eat sugar. But I ate 2 cookies today because there's cookies in my house, guys. There's cookies in my house. Hopefully you will get what you'll need to get monetized soon, being this is pretty much freelance work until we send it. Yeah, Caleb. Yeah. We're getting there. I'll tell you another cool thing, Caleb, because I know that you're always interested in the growth of the stream and stuff. I was a little bit concerned because it's like I'm not going to be streaming Friday or Saturday. And it's like, yeah, well, I'm doing other stream-related things, right? We're building community. We're building, strengthening relationships and all this good and very, very important stuff, right? But still, it's in my head. I'm not streaming. Well, right before I left Friday evening, I made a reel Thursday night, the most recent one. I forget which one it was. Right before I left Friday evening, I hit 50,000 views in the last 28 days, which is a new record, of course, on the channel overall, between shorts and videos and lives and everything, right? Oh, we're going to have a freaking fool over here, guys. It's big. Oh, my God. Bird wants me, and he hits really hard. So I hit 50K views. It was like 49,990 or whatever. I hit the number of views, 50,000 views in the last 28 days. I'm like, okay, well that's a nice little good thing. That's a good thing, right? Well, when I came home, I didn't check it. I don't micromanage and stare at my numbers. When I got home, it was at we hit 60,000. So, like, imagine 50,000 views in 28 days and then 10,000 views in 10 days. No, in 2 days. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot. It's a lot. So the point is, while I was gone, the channel was working and performing and moving forward. And so that was, like, just bonus. Good. Feeling good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Do I melee this blood dude? No way, man. No way, dude. We're gonna put the poopies on him, man. We're gonna put the straight poop. We're gonna put the straight poop on him. Equipment. Let me see. Remove that. We're gonna put the poopies on. Dude, this guy's no joke, man. Of the Rivers of Blood guy, he will ruin your weekend. Guys, we're gonna have Fire Giant. No. Wait, what? Where am I? I haven't done... I'm confused. What am I coming here for? I already killed that guy. So I didn't pay attention because I've been talking. I didn't pay attention. We're going the wrong way. Yeah, I think I finished that thought. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you, Streamlabs Streambot. Okina deserves all the poopies to be real. Let's be real. Yeah, except for the fact that I already killed him. And it said hoist secret medallion. How do you get to the Halig tree? Don't you do it by hoisting a medallion? You hoist a secret medallion. Yeah, I did. I except. Oh my God. Okay. I did this the other day. Okay. Watch this. I did exactly this the other day. Caleb says next year's definitely going to make it, right? Maybe a bit more notice. I know you have 2 months notice. Some jobs or schedules require a month's out. Got you, Caleb. Yeah. No. I've been talking about this. You probably, I don't know if you were watching, how much you were watching me before YouTube, but I feel like, I know that you've been very, very supportive on YouTube. I know you've been a follower for a very long time on Facebook, but I announced the meetup. It was like 5 months before the meetup. I announced it would be in March. 4 months before the meetup, I announced it would be March 22nd, 23rd. So maybe I made it, but these are things I'm learning too. Maybe I made a mistake and figured I talked about it enough. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I made a mistake, because if you feel like you only heard about it a month or two ahead of time, dude, I've been talking about it a lot. Maybe a lot on the chess streams, but you go to the chess streams too. Let me see. Hoist secret medallion. Hey, guys, this is child-proof. These freaking medallions are child-proof, folks. They're tricky. It was about a year prior. It was first announced. Right. Yeah. I think I'd been talking about it, and then like 5 or 6 months before, I said it would be in March, and then in November, I had to get down, get funky, get live, and give a number. And so it was like, I think it was November 23rd that I said it would be. So it was 4 months that I gave the exact date. And then, shortly after that, I find out that feeding master David Bassett can't make it. And I'm like, because this is 30th wedding anniversary, guys. 30 years. Like, he ain't missing that, right? So that was a little bit of a bummer too, to find that out, right? But I couldn't go back because people already start making plans. I gave the date, man. I can't check with everybody, man. I can't. But I wish I would have freaking known. I would have worked around them. Are you going to make it in March every time? I'm thinking I probably will, Adam. It's the best time, because we got lucky we got fortunate enough with the weather, with good weather. And the more you taunt the Texas weather, the better chance you have of it ruining your weekend. You know what I mean? Wait, I don't even have my spells up, guys. So we gotta go back to these. I can whack like that, and I can whack like this. We should be okay. I'm just gonna try and run past these fools to the invisible. Invisible. Where is it? Right here. They scare me every time, folks. They hit me. They just hit me. Sometimes one will drop down and land. I think, right? I really got to give it to Trey, stand-up guy, hooking me up with his reservation. Yeah, Billy, that's very cool, man. Billy says we're going to plan some fun stuff in San Antonio soon. Cool, man. Cool. Yeah, I'll tell you guys. Trey Karish, man. Elden Ring guide extraordinaire. I want it, guys. These guys will freaking ruin your freaking weekend, man. Maybe I can hit a few of them, like with this. It's the room sweeper, folks. There's one here that didn't get hit, though. Those things are so nasty. What is this? All that work for a Sacramento bud, folks. Who knows? Trey Karish is freaking hilarious, guys. He's such a nice guy, man. Billy Mullenix, absolute freaking hero. I freaking love him, man. And so, everybody was... It's Mike Stagner. Oh, my God. It was so cool to meet Mike Stagner, man. Dude, they do way too much damn. Way too much. I could have died right there, guys. I'm freaking far away from a grace. Like, it would come a long way already. Really kind of sucks to die right here. Guys, hardcore parkour with Sorceries Halig Gaming. Doesn't really do anything. And Cherry was a hoot. Guys, Cherry Scotia is so freaking funny, man. She's cool. She's got a great personality. Basically, what happened was we went and played chess, and Friday night was the first night. And I knew the bigger number of people would be there later. But for the hardcores to come in, if they want to come in Friday night, we plan a chess meeting at Brass Hall. And the people that came to that was Trey and Mike Stagner and Wolfman. Oh, and my friend John. John, he's been on the stream before. He plays drums in a band I play with. But it was kind of winding down. John left. Whoa. John left, and so I'm like, you know, we were hungry. Let's go get something to eat. We're just about to leave, and Wolfman shows up, the bartender and a friend. And he said, oh, man, I got up early to come play chess with you guys. So we canceled the going to dinner plans, and we said, we'll just order pizza. Let's go back to the hotel and play and order pizza. We should have just set back up and played there now I think about it. Duh. But it was kind of nice to go back to the hotel. Went back to the hotel, pulled out the bottle of whiskey, and played and just sat there and had a few sips and played chess. And we ordered the pizza kind of late. Right now we're freaking starving, man. We should have ordered the pizza earlier. I didn't have an app. Stagner had to do it on his app, and then I paid him back. But it was freaking cool. Do I always get this, Grace? So that was Friday night, man. We hung out. Then after Trey took off, Stagner and I hung out for probably another hour just talking and stuff. Who won overboard between you and Stagner? I'm trying to think if he ever beat me. I don't think he beat me. Wolfman and I, Adam, he had a draw that makes me angry. And I'll tell you why. Because anytime you play chess, it's an opportunity to learn. Okay, right? When you play on chess.com, it records your game. There is no record of the game that Wolfman and I played. Stagner took a picture at one point, and I think one of the positions that I'm concerned with, that I really would like to look at, is a few moves before that, so I could probably look at the picture. As a matter of fact, when I talk to Stagner, I got to ask him to send me the whoa. Is this the right way? I'm lost, guys. I'm lost. Oh, I know where I am. See, I thought I was somewhere else, man. Now I know where I am. How come I haven't come across a great drop-off yet? We're going to Liturgica Town, right? Dude, I didn't know where the hell I was. I think I'm heading right for it-ish. We're almost to the river where there's a drop-off here. Damn it. It's only 500,000 rooms, guys. So that was Friday night. Friday night was great. We're going to plan some fun. Okay. Hellfine Steeples and Death Ritual Spear. That's exactly right. Which swords are those? Yep. March 31st is my anniversary. Nice, Caleb. Congratulations. That's a blackout day for me. Yeah, as long as we're still married. Nice. The bloody healer's sword. That ash wasn't from the sword, though. No. The ash of the sword looks like this. It buffs the sword. As a matter of fact, does it say... Yeah, Ruinous Ghost Flame. So would that be fire damage? Would Ruinous Ghost Flame be fire damage? If it is, how cool is that? Because I didn't even think about that, to have fire damage as well. So just run straight to your runes and try not to fall off the freaking world. Oh, I got the... I'm starting from the Grace, too. The wolves are on me, guys. The wolves are on me. When I see the cliff, I'm going to have to figure out a way to get down, guys. You see, that was it. I think. No, that wasn't it. Okay, run toward the runes, guys. It's only 500,000 runes, but they're my runes. Oh, God. Blue balls. Blue balls are on me. The blue balls will freaking kill you every time, guys. I got blue balls. Ghost Flame is all magic, so it's just straight magic damage. It is not it put him up. Okay, now I think if I go this way and try and drop down at a more opportune parkour opportunity. Yeah, like that. Now I think we head north. Am I going the right way? Ish. We can kind of head northwest. So I am not a morning person, man, and I want to thank you, Billy. And I felt bad. I'm like, but I mean, I'm just not a morning person, and that doesn't mean I get up in the morning at 8 and I'm grumpy. I'm not a morning person means I don't even wake up till after morning is over. That's pretty much my life. And but Billy was talking about going to get breakfast, and man, I wish I would have, man. I wish I would have. But I'm more of the go hard at night and stay up till 10 in the morning than get up at 10 in the morning. You know what I mean? I had to get up at like 11. I think I got up at I got a late check out and got up at 11:20. And then, you know, spent all that time walking back and forth to the car, loading and moving stuff around and stuff. So, I was just done. So, forgive me, Billy, for not taking you up on that. But we invited a bunch of people back to the hotel, guys. It might not have been smart. Courtney was like, well, what if the hotel gets mad? What if you guys get too loud and stuff? Because we're all drinking and having fun and stuff, right? I'm like, hey, if they do, then we'll quiet down. If they throw everybody out, then they'll throw everybody out. Whatever. But it was late, man, and everyone had gone pretty hard. Billy's girlfriend had a headache. Billy needed to get back to something, and so they're like, yeah, we're probably going to pass. The Savages, man. The Savages. Brett and Haley. They said they were coming, but they didn't make it. And Armageddon. Freaking Eric Hadden. Eric Hadden said he was going to come, and then he decided at the last second not to. So it was funny because we invited everyone to come, and it ended up being Courtney and Mike Stagner and I on the back porch, just chilling out, sipping a couple drinks and just talking, you know. And it was very, very chill, and it was really cool. And so yeah, man, it was just an absolute good. That was last night at the end of the day. But Saturday, Courtney met me, and then we went and did the shopping, and we got the barbecue. I wonder what the range is on this. Can I hit this guy with some poopies? We went and got the barbecue and everything, and we got to the. Oh, I got to enter first. We got to the park like perfectly on time, and it just the weather. The sun wasn't shining through the whole time, guys. It was a little overcast, but it was. The temperature was either perfect, or maybe it could have been like I felt like I wanted a jacket, but then when I went and got my jacket, I felt like I was too hot. Okay, we're gonna see if we can hit this guy with the poopy, guys. I don't know. I could probably hit him from here. Let me get the target on him again. Now I'm gonna lose my target. Nope. Why is it not hitting him? It's not hitting him. I'm getting nothing. I was planning on playing Mike in chess. I just sunk into the bed. I get you. Dude, is it because he's like a freaking beanpole? It's because he's a freaking beanpole, huh? Is he still shooting me through the freaking wall or something? Where is it? I got plenty of mana, buddy. I can do this all day. So the picnic was awesome. There's plenty of pictures. You guys have seen them, I'm sure. A lot of you have. And then last night when we saw Sam MC play some music, we saw some. It was like they were doing the sit down, no drummer blues thing, man. With Vin Mott on harmonica. Met a really cool guy, nice guy, man. and we went and saw some music, and then we went to our party and freaking played music, and I hired a great band, had some great performers. It was an amazing night. You showed it at Trey a vehicle drive down there would have been 12.9 hours. Didn't have money for a plane ticket, right, Caleb? I get it. Yeah, like I said, Caleb, everyone can't make it, man. Everyone's got a story like that, where it's their 30th anniversary or whatever. You know, everyone can't make it, man. Trey, how you doing, my brother? You made it home okay, Trey, I'm guessing? Dude, thank you so much for such a great freaking time this weekend, man. It was so nice spending time with you and just talking and hanging out, getting to know each other, man. Guys, he's a genuine nice guy, man. It's the only way I can describe Trey. Sorry, Trey, that's all I got for you. You're a genuine nice guy. That's like the highest compliment I feel like I can give. You know what I'm saying? Some people are nice. Some people are genuine. You're genuinely nice. You know? I freaking love it, dude. It was a total pleasure to meet you. Stagner! That sax player, I'll say it again, killed it. Yeah, Stagner. Sax player was great, man. He said some real nice things to me too, and if I ever want to hire that guy again, he's on board, man. Oh, come on, this dude's freaking. Why is he looking at me, man? I thought I distracted him enough from the other side of the world, folks. Now, one thing about this spell, though, I might be able to kill him, guys. I might be able to LOS him, target him and LOS him, and kill him. It's probably too dangerous. I should probably just, like, put on, you know, okay, like Magic Scorpion Charm. Bad idea. Put on a little thing called, like, more stamina equipment, guys, right? Just to get this thing done. Put on a little thing called Crimson Amber Medallion, right? Put on a little thing called, yeah, that's probably good enough. Extra stamina, damage, negate. Oh, are they shooting magic arrows at me? Do these archers, these female archers, guys, they got mad at me in the lore, in one of my reels. They're like, all the archers are females. Learn your lore or something like that. So they're girls, guys. Is it magic damage they're doing, or is it physical? Do you guys know? Let me know, and I'll be able to answer it, man. Oh, now Adam Freeman and Michael Stagner are here. Adam and Mike, do you guys have more than one account, or is this your account, your YouTube account? Because if this is your YouTube account and you want me to, I will make you guys mods, because you guys are my mods. Any of my Texas friends keeping up with the tournament. I'm watching Houston and Texas A&M right now. Go Houston. Oh, Adam, nice. I'm not. Yeah, the sax player was great. Damn right, Mike. I'm glad Charlie streaming music was very good. Thank you, man. Charlie, thanks for being an excellent host. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, man. Thanks, man. It was a great time. Pleasure to meet you and everyone. Yeah, Trey, it was, man. Hatchgaros, Wolfo says, Adam says, this is my account. Well, then we just might have to click on this guy and say add as moderator. Standard moderator. Save. Unless you don't want to, Mike. Mike, if you don't want to, that's fine. Oh, yeah, because you really don't even really watch After Dark. I mean, you come in and say hi, but you're not really here, right, Mike? So, you know what? Yeah, if it's just going to be an added mod, and what did you guys say about their magic arrows? Okay, cool. So we'll throw some magic dam. And actually, I could put non-physical, too. Do we got a Pearl Drake floating around here somewhere, guys? Non-physical. I'll put that on, too. Okay, good. So now we have a little bit better chance. And this, I don't know if that has any damage negation in it or not, but I'm going to drink it anyway. Okay, let's give this a shot. Wow. Well, they didn't melt me. Okay, now can I see him? Am I not hitting him? Oh, I hit him there. Look at this, guys. Maybe we can cheese him. The problem is you got to hit him. You know what I mean? Whoa. I am hitting. So I like the cheese aspect of this, guys. I like the cheesy aspect of this maneuver. Now, if I were... Ooh, I just hit him again. Ooh, hit him again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys know me. Anytime we can do anything to break the game, I'm down. Oh, my God. I'm afraid to bum rush him now. Okay, here. And you know what I want to do, too, though? He's pretty weak. I'm going to put both swords on. What did I say? And I'm going to buff him up. We'll buff him up, guys. Yes. Put the ghost flame on, folks. Now I can run up and slice and dice his fool. Well, if I can make the parkour opportunity, folks. There we go. And that is the easiest part of the game, guys. I don't mind doing anything there, man. You know, changing trinkets for that dude. Dude, sometimes making that run, he hit you with every arrow. He could knock you. He could freaking... It's damn, bro. It's damn. And I don't like it. And I hate failing this freaking... Who among us here has not had a problem with that archer? I'll take it, Charlie, but Trey is the Elden Ring man. I got nothing on him. Well, yeah, no. It has just to do with moderator, man. It's not about Elden Ring. It's about YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we got that one. We got that one. We got the hard one. Now we got to get the sneaky one. And if we can avoid Hooper Boy. There were some pricey ones. Figured they had to be good since Stagner. There was a card show in Austin today. I checked it out. A couple of them had magic cards. Oh, I see. Cool. When she fires hers at the same time as yours. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Billy, that store was awesome. Cool. Man, I wish I could have made that. Mike. Adam says, I used to play Magic all the time, and then I didn't. Very fun game. I'm sure it's evolved a lot in 25 years. Magic the Gathering, guys. Who plays Magic the Gathering? Show of hands. If you like Magic the Gathering, like the stream. If you don't like it, share the stream. If you like it, don't like it, or already liked and shared, sub if you haven't subbed. Thank you. Magic the Gathering. Talk here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. See, I turned that into self-promotion, folks. Mike's just trolling you. Yeah. Okay. Well, I take a mod position, just a thought. Yeah, Caleb, I don't need any mods right now, man. We already talked about this. Remember, like I said, when I need new mods, I look at who's not active, who is active, and then I ask them if they want to be a mod. Yeah, so thanks for the offer, Caleb. But like I said last time we talked about it, I will, believe me, you're here, dude. You're here. Like, for instance, I didn't, yeah, we already talked about it. So, I can take you seriously, Adam. Let's see how the Bears... As a matter of fact, last time when you asked me... No, never mind. It's okay. It doesn't matter. I don't need to bring that up. How was the official Charlie Soda meetup? Jockery Teller, it was so nice, man. It was so nice, man. I saw when I went live, and, like, I saw a few names. Like, I think yours was one of them. But, I read a few of the names, Kenneth Matthew Borders and Lois New, and I'm like, I felt my connection back to all the people that can't be there. You know what I'm saying? Caleb, freaking Conway. I felt, and I started to get a little bit emotional because I was having so much fun connecting with Stagner and with Trey and with Billy freaking Mullinix, freaking Cherry. It felt so good. And then I went live and I saw chat start popping and I connected with all the names and I started to get a little, woo, you guys know how I do sometimes, man. I got the feels, guys. I get the feels. Like I said, I don't know what I would do. I mean, I would say I would die or something weird, but like I don't know my life without my community. I forgot what it's like. I can't imagine not having the community anymore. For me, you know what I mean. For you guys have the community too. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how it is for you guys. I know for me, it's just such a big freaking part of my life. And I spend so much time with you guys. You know what I mean? And I just love it, man. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we got to make the run, guys. We're going to make the naughty. Wish I would have rested so I could have drank my flask in case I had some damage negation. We have magic. I'm trying to remember what I have on my thing right now. We have magic. Oh, no. The bubbles are holy damage, guys. So we got to dodge the freaking bubbles, right? We'll get it. Ah! Dude, he tried to knock me off the edge of the freaking Halig tree, guys. That was not cool. Warming stone, guys. Oh, my God. I'm asking for it. These things, they go like that, and then they come real fast. Yep. And now we get poopies on us. Bad timing. Much better. Much better. Whoa. Is there a way to avoid those poopies, guys? Or does everyone just get completely scarlet rotted whenever they run down that part of the tree? Yeah, so Jacques Retailer, thanks for asking, man. Sometimes you gotta wait to strike. I had... Let me see. Let me come back here and rest so I get the poopies out. Jackery says, I'm going to make the next one. I promise you, Jackery Taylor. You know what? You got a year to think about it, man. Thanks for going live from the hall, sir. Yeah, Truth, you're welcome, man. I'm glad. I'm so glad I did. Trey says, Drew, I just got home and need to unpack my car. After the song, I can be on soon if you have time. Oh, Drew. Is Drew here? Drew. Okay, after the Halig Tree song, you and Trey want to help me bust into Lendl on my Death Knight build. Yes, as a matter of fact, after just singing the Halig Tree last night, guys, with a full freaking band and saxophone, I just forgot to sing the Halig Tree. So let's get that out of the way right now. And then Trey can unload his car. Guys, unloading my car today was a freaking nightmare. Food, and I had to figure out, I had to kind of repackage some stuff to share it with Courtney and stuff. Okay, I think I made breaking news reasonable. I did. I feel like I'm off to the side. Because like I told you guys, I added the camera. Right? I added the I changed the camera, man. There we go. We'll make that like that. Okay, Grassley. I'm grabbing a guitar. Now have I sung the Halig Tree song 2 days in a row, guys? Ever in the history of Halig Trees? I don't remember if I have, guys. I mean, just maybe like, I don't remember. Okay, I have to go to my microphone and do one little dirty thing, but that's always easy to remember to put back because the pop-up stays. Filters. Okay, if you guys don't know, when we get to the Halig Tree, we sing a song that I wrote a long time ago, folks. And I know you never kill the Halig Tree, but I thought the Halig Tree was a boss. And so I wrote this song before chat told me it's not a boss, it's a place. Because I didn't know. Sang it last night with a full saxophone build, folks. With a full band. If you want to see it with the full saxophone build, what you want to do is, I love the way I call it a saxophone build, right? You want to go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. And you want to look for the live music show. You could tell it's like recorded from a phone. And you could see me performing with the band, with this killer band, and a few songs, maybe 3, 4, 5 songs in, I sing the Halig Tree. Let me get the guys. I gotta do this right, guys. I gotta do it right because I already didn't sing it right when we got to the Halig Tree. Usually, the minute we poured in over there at the Halig Tree, we sing it. So now I have to post the words. Wait, I've got them right here. I can copy and paste the words. It's a very simple song, guys, and it's kind of a tradition here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Will we write a new song for some part of Elden Ring DLC? I will say this. There will be a new song. There will be a new song, guys. God, how the hell? Okay, so let me go back to that freaking... I don't even care, guys. I don't even freaking care. If I got to go back to it, I'll go back to it and get it right because it's important, guys. It's the Halig Tree song, folks. Wait, no, it's not a hashtag. It is hashtags? So where the hell is the Halig Tree song? I just had it here. What? Okay, well, I'll tell you what. I can still post it. Very simply. Oh man, you think after like what, 25, 26 Halig trees, I'd be able to post the Halig Tree song, folks. And I can, and I will, right now. The Charlie Sardo game. The end is going to be truncated, guys, but it repeats just like the first time, if that makes sense. Here we go. Delete. There we go. And send it. Okay, we're gonna kill the Halig tree. It goes like this, and then at the end, it just repeats for the first time. We're gonna kill the Halig tree tonight. It goes like this. We're gonna kill the Halig tree. We're gonna kill the Halig tree. This is your practice time. Look at the words and sing along so you can learn it for next time. We're gonna kill the Halig tree tonight. Almost forgot my reverb. Must admit, music's on. The music's quiet, guys. That's okay. This is only the practice, though. This is only the freaking practice, guys. It's only the freaking practice. Must admit I don't know where. Damn sure chat will get me there. We're gonna kill the Halig tree tonight. Wait, I should have paused there. Tonight, like that. Okay, this is the real playthrough. So now you got no music in the back. I got the reverb on, folks. And I'm gonna do the awkward pauses. Sing along. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna kill the Halig tree. We're gonna kill the Halig tree. We're gonna kill the Halig tree tonight. I must admit I don't know where. Damn sure chat will get me there. We're gonna kill the Halig tree tonight. There we go, folks. The Halig tree song as guaranteed. Reverb off. Noise suppression on. Back to the game screen. And guys, we went and saw Sam Massey play guitar, and this is one of the guitars that Magic Sam Massey gave me, man. It's a beautiful guitar. It actually is my favorite acoustic. It's my favorite acoustic that I own. It just plays great and sounds great. There's just some things like it's not the most expensive, and it's not the one I play the most, but it's my favorite. Okay. Now I can port back to the other Grace and continue the run, man. Missed a ton of comments. Max, what's up, dude? Dude, we had a great weekend, man. Max, we missed you, man. We talked about you, too. It was cool seeing him perform, too. Yeah, man. Yeah, Trey, man. Oh, wait. Yeah, it was cool. It was cool having you guys there, man. It was really cool. And I'll tell you, those people that were there performing, man, that guy Scott, he's a really cool dude, man. He texted me back like late last night. He texted me. He copied and pasted it like 100 times, unless he wrote it. But he wrote, thank you, because he had a freaking blast. He had a blast because I asked him to put on the first half of the music show. You know what I'm saying? And lead the band. And he said thank you. And I said, I think I said, I love you, man, times 56. I sent it back to him like that, because I wasn't gonna copy and paste and whoa, I thought there was a jump. I have both swords on your butt, buddy, where you belong. Go back to the pregame lobby where you belong. I was trying to do this and buff both swords, guys, just for the walk around. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Yeah, we did, Max. Stagner, I said, I was this close to dragging Adam Freeman, kicking and screaming to Austin. I know, man. Dude, that's how I feel, bro. But, the thing is, you can drag. I don't think there were a whole bunch of people that were like, a whole bunch of, like, regulars, like, of you guys that were like, yeah, I don't want to go. I think most people that are part of our crew. Well, if I can't hit him, I might as well just leave him alone, right? Like I said, everyone's got something. David had his thing. Caleb gave his good reasons why. Oh no. Everyone had their real reasons why they couldn't be there. and I get it. I get it. I can't just I mean, I've got a little bit of freedom, right? But not lately. I don't have freedom, guys, because I'm working on this YouTube thing, man. And I like. What is this thing? Thank you, sir. May I have another? Whoa. He's mad, guys. He's mad. Is he going to follow me to the ends of the earth, Mal'Ganis? I will meet you one day, Charlie. I will be there with bells on. I was too far. No, I got you, man. And you know what, Mex? I'm sorry because as part of the chess stuff, I was very, very much considering going to Canada for the candidates tournament. The candidates tournament that's going to it's happening, like, I think pretty soon. My problem is I didn't. I decided not to. You know what I mean? And oh yeah. We're gonna have to put we might end up running directly into Loretta. Let me see. It's called. We can't level up, guys. We can't level up. The runes are just what they are. What was I gotta memorize some spells, guys. We gotta memorize this one. Wait. These go the Ancient Death Rancor, and I don't think we're gonna use the nuke. And I don't think we need Night Comet yet. So this is now that I just have a ranged spell, guys. You know what I'm saying? We will be. All these are just jokes. So let me go ahead and throw something on that like might help me. Equipment. Those are like. Loretta does magic damage. Maybe I'll leave those on, man. You know what I'm saying? What if I left those on, guys? For mass negation. You know what I mean? And then charged attacks, guys. Charged. Where's Radagon's icon? Did I destroy it? Godfrey's icon. There we go. Okay, now we got some damn. And we got a magic spell. Okay, and then let me come up to here because I don't think I can hit that guy. I'm gonna try. Because if we could just kill him and not get any poopy, that'd be awesome. Dude, it landed on him and it didn't hurt him. Is he like immune? Wolf says I'm broke so I couldn't go. Feel, man. Feel. Stagner says no guilt. Adam, I'm sure you would if you could. Yeah. Felt like you were there. I'll tell you, Adam, when we were talking about you, I kind of almost like felt your presence, as weird as that sounds. I'm not being like superstitious. Not like that. But when he just said felt like you were there, I'm like, you know what, man? I kind of might have felt that too. You know? Because Adam and Mike go way back. Is this guy immune to the poopies? He's going to definitely summon. He's not summoning, though. He's not summoning poopies, guys. So we can cheese him from here and not have to deal with any of the crystal folios. The corn, I like to call them corn folios. Yeah. When I go, it'll be an epic party. Oh, absolutely, man. Terra Magica would have freaking probably made a big. Oh no, I gotta have Terra Magica. You're right. Yeah. See, I took all that stuff off. Kevin Cook says you're right, Adam. Of including the whole family. That's why I made sure to do it, guys. That's why I made sure to do it. I probably should have gone live from like the back patio too, man. Because the patio was chill, man. We were playing chess with Wolfman and then Stagner and Courtney and I were just hanging out talking. That would have been a good time to maybe. Is he still up? I think he's gone. Now I got to get my Terra Magica. Okay, well I'm not going to get it now because I screwed up. Because then I'll have to kill a freaking. Oh my God, she's up. That was the whole point. Well, I made it past, but I think I need Terra Magica, guys. I'm going to have aggro. Let me see if I get out of aggro here. These poopies still, they're still angry at me. They're still walking this way. He could see me, bro. Well, no way. I'm doing the, what's that? Assassin's Creed crouch, folks. Okay? Only seen at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Found out today, sadly, I can't make the Savage meetup. Oh, Stagner, you can't. Oh, man. You know what? Maybe another time, dude. He does more than I do. It's because you hear from me every day the last 3 years. Almost, I've missed a handful of chess streams. Yeah, Adam, yeah. Adam, I played a game against Wolfman that was, like, I'm angry at myself for not recording the game somehow, even if just set my phone up and hit record. Because this guy's still on me. Do I want to make the run, guys? Let's see if we can make the run to the elevator. This is something I never do, guys. Is there a trick? Okay, go. Come on, come on. There's another dude there. Hey! Guys, I never do this, man. I never do this. I did it with Trey and Drew one time. Terra Magic. Oh, yeah, so wasn't Drew saying when, after the Halig tree, could we help him do something? Billy Molinick says there's a second spirit caller snail around the corner from where you are, the one that you killed. Oh, I didn't know that, man. It's because you hear from me every day. Okay, got that. I'll tell you guys something, man. Billy Molinick, I mean, I didn't freaking know, guys. I didn't freaking know. But we were talking about Dr. Disrespect, and I'm like, no, he really was the back-to-back two-time Blockbuster champion. Billy's all, no, dude, that's not real. I'm all, I think it is. It's like, I don't think so, man. He said, it's all a joke. I'm like, let me Google it. I Googled it. It's like, I thought that was real. I thought he was like a boomer gamer. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I need Terra Magica. That's okay. That's all right. Can't stop me from getting my Terra Magica. So, yeah, man. Billy's like, no, dude, I don't think so, man. I'm like, okay. I'm horrible with names. Trey's friend Justin and I played a couple games. Would have loved to have my Vienna game recorded. Yeah, man. It's like playing Blitz is one thing, but when you put any amount of time into a game of chess, kind of want to be able to freaking to see it. I want to look at my stream on my phone real quick, guys. Because I just want to see what it looks like. Because Adam mentioned something about it being blurry, and then my preview is blurry, but the preview might always be blurry. And so, let me go to, here. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Little thing called YouTube, oh, it's clear as AF, folks. It looks good. I want to zoom. I want to make it big. I want to make it big, folks. Well, I should check. Oh yeah, man. No, dude, my camera looks sharp too, man. Camera's not blurry anymore, guys. Yeah, that's a good thing, man. I'm feeling good about that. Okay, Terra Magica. I gotta remember why I'm here, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. We're gonna be doing all the downloadable content. This is my Death Sorceries build. Right now I have to memorize a spell. Little spell called Terra from the Magica, folks. Is it on this screen? Is it right there. What is Starlight? Creates a starlight to illuminate surroundings. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Never heard of it. Okay, so I got the Terra Magica. We got the poopies. We're all rested up. What's in my physic, man? Equipment Thorio. Stance break. Okay. Yeah, see, the thing is, Loretta's going to be freaking all over me. So maybe I should just plan on melee. Right? I'll have time to buff my swords. And then just go full psycho melee, guys. We got stance break. I'll be doing jump attacks. But I don't have feathers on. Why not? This guy doesn't have feathers on? Equipment Thorio. Knights Cavalry. That's why. But do we own feathers on this character? I mean, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 all-knowing armors. I don't see it, guys. Raptor's black feathers. I think I'm gonna take them, guys. I think I'm gonna take them, and I'm gonna put the melee stuff on because I'm gonna melee Loretta. Because I have a little bit of magic dam negation, jump attack, and like this enhanced charge spells and skills. I'm probably not going to be using that. So I have to use something else. Is it like the Axe Talisman or something? But I'm using 2. I'm not enhances charge attacks. I don't know what else to put on that. I don't think Loretta's going to do any. Let's just do this. There we go. That feels good. That'll keep the jump attacks flowing like wine, like the swallows to Capistrano. Okay, wait. I went up. I'm supposed to be going to the. Where's the freaking elevator? How did I? Where's the elevator? Where? I thought the elevator was over here somewhere. I gotta pull it up. The game looks good. Your face camera is still a little pixelated, though, says Billy. Is it really? Okay, are you watching? What are you watching on? I just looked on my phone. It looked great, but that's probably because it was small. May Stagner says he had his king walking. His king is making on E6. Oh, wow. Killer Boy says, never mind. He wasn't rereading chat. My YouTube got behind somehow, and I had to close YouTube. Restart. Okay, cool. Caleb, welcome back. Altus Highway, Junction, Grace, Storm, Lindell, whenever Trey is done. Okay, yeah, let me know, man. Let me know. I will, I'm just going to keep moving forward. And then when you guys are ready to rock and roll, I will, I'll run over there. And what were we going to help you with? Storming the Capitol. Right. Cool. Oh, my God. I would never, guys, in all my playthroughs, I never went this close to freaking monsters, man. I never did. Crouched. I didn't think you could. Now I know. Okay. Let's begin the buffing sequence, folks. It starts with Golden Bow. I don't think we need that one. That's it. Come on, man. It's been a minute. And I should have drank my flask first, but we didn't. But we're okay. I could have done a Terra Magica and stood in it with that. Oh, he's like vastly immune to magic damage, huh? Wow. Yeah, I never had a chance, but you know what I do have? It's only almost 600,000 rooms. What I do have is, yeah, this is not hitting hard, but you know what? It's going to be a good challenge. I got to calm down and make it happen. Set the elevator down, Charlie. Then you fast travel back to the Grace. Oh, okay. Oh, so you actually send it down. Sweet, if we can make it 2 more. Got that rule. Dude, we're gonna rip through it, man. I'll put the spells back on for that stuff. So yeah, so it's right here, right? I should have sent it back. Am I right? So it comes up. Okay. Oh, you can see down. You can see right down there. You can see into Margot's room. I mean, Margot. I got Margot on my brain, folks. You can see into Loretta's room. Yeah, that was not a lot of damage, guys. Not a lot of damage. Maybe I should like. No. Let's just not die. I've got a bunch of magic damage negation on, right? So what if we didn't be a baby and just made it happen? You know what I'm saying? It's very possible. Maybe the poker thing might might help too. I don't know. Can I get this loot? Run. Run, Forest. There we go. We made it. Okay, we gotta do these in order, guys. We gotta do these in proper order. Flask first. Duh. Then, going down. Oh yeah, so I was asking, would Terra Magica help the magic damage on my swords, or is that just crazy talk? You said the other way down. Okay. I want to no-hit this fool. Ain't no stam. Why not hitting? Can't see him from the daylight. Oh, I see. Spamming that stuff, huh? Wow. I had to drink again, guys. I had to drink again. I wanted to jump. Bad. Hey, much better. I dodged a few attacks, right? Sure, you guys are gonna make it. If you always crush it, right? Traces, it helps with swords. It does. Yeah. The problem is you gotta be standing in it, right? Barrier of Gold is a good idea if you have it. Barrier of Gold, what is it? What does it do? What does Barrier of Gold do? Is there something like simple that I'm missing for damage? Like the poker might work better. You think the poker will do more damage just straight melee? I don't know. Be quicker and easier, not as heavy. You know what I'm saying? Memorize spell. Let's see what this. It's called. Barrier of Gold. Barrier of Gold. Barrier. I don't see it. Increases magic damage negation. Magic fortification. Does that stack with Golden Bow though? I bet it does, right? Barrier of Gold vastly improves magic damage negation. Okay, magic fortification would probably be the next best thing, right? Does that stack with Golden Bow? If it does, I'll be pretty cool, man. I'll be doing pretty good. I thought I sent this back. Oh, I did. Just don't know where it is. Oh, Barrier of Gold. Really? How long does it last? Yeah, right. Yeah, I don't have Barrier of Gold, but I have this other one that does magic damage negation that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go with that. And then I just got to not get hit as much. Right? And it should be fine. I have the magic damage in the Pearl Drake. But maybe I should put on something else like for... since I'm swinging these two swords, man. Equipment. Like maybe Pearl Drake's not doing as much. And maybe I should do like... just go for like a chunk of freaking... stamina or a chunk of health, or I have a ton of vig too, so these actually help too. So when I drink, I get way more out of it. I'm gonna go with stamina first because we're gonna try and be good, folks. We're gonna try and actually play Elden Ring. If I get bored, guys, I'm just gonna summon a freaking Black Knife teacher. Okay, I'll do it. I'm not scared, guys. I'm not scared. Because I do what I want. Okay. I think I'm going to do, magic fort first. I don't think I've ever used that one before. River goes in Lindale after defeating the golden ship of Godfrey. Okay. Yeah, so now, watch. He jumps up and does the same attack every time. And I never get my drink back. Okay. Okay. Dude, 50% health. Did he just try and glintstone me? He freaking moves too much! It's like, I think if I untarget him, I might do better. Dude, the jump attacks are not working. There's one. Yeah, kick me with your horse again. Problem is he can kill me right now. He can kill me right now real easy, guys. See what I'm saying? Get back, Loretta. Let's help Drew after Loretta. No, you know what, man? I'm updating my laptop. Almost ready. Okay. Yeah. No. I'll do it when you're ready. You know what? Tell me when you're about 5 minutes out, and then I will head over and I'll put my trinkets back on and stuff. Because I wanna be nasty. I wanna be nasty. Does that work, Trey? Are you about 5 minutes out yet? Because then I can get ready. You know, I could just really. You guys know the move, right? You want to get rid of Loretta? You just do a little thing like switch. Do a little thing like Black Knife Teacher. No. Let's put the real poop on this fool. Dung Eater, folks. Oh my God! Get in there quick before you die. Dung Eater. I got no buffs, but you know what I got? I got poopies. I got Terra Magica poopies. Did I drink my flask? I didn't. Uh-oh. We're not doing any damage. Dung Eater's going down, guys. We're not doing any real damage. Even with the Terra Magica up. Okay. Dung Eater, like, since I wasted all that time right there, Dung Eater didn't do anything. Guys, that right there shows you that I could have done it, right? Because Dung Eater didn't do anything, and I didn't do anything with the spells. But I did okay toward the end of the fight. But here's what I didn't do. I got a whole bunch of free shots in while it was killing Dung Eater. I got like 2 or 3 easy shots, right? Good games, 5 seconds out. Okay, so we're said. Which Grace are we talking about, Drew? Did Grace Altus Highway Junction? Cool. Altus Highway. Do I even have that conjunction junction, dudes? I don't even know what my function is anymore, folks. There we go. I'm going to put on the most elite spells, and I'm going to show you guys the sorcerer build now because it's freaking nasty. It's freaking nasty. It includes 2 Helfin's Steeple plus 10, of course, guys. Only the best here at Sorceries Halig Gaming. 2 Prince of Death Staves plus 25, and a Ritual Death Spear with a Golden Order seal for fun. Okay. The talisman are... Wait for it. Wait for it. One of them is... Godfrey's Icon. I have to... I got to see if I remember them all. You might have to tell me. One of them is... Magic Scorpion Charm. Makes me squishy, but it freaking rocks. Oh, and then... yeah, and then Shard of Alexander we're using too. Equipment. The Shard from Alexander, guys. And then... What was the other one? Like, Ritual Sword or something? I mean, that probably is a pretty good one, right? Yeah, I think he means 5 minutes out. Yeah, 5 minutes out. Oh, was it one of these? Was it something over here? No. Oh, no, it's a spell sword. It's the I know which ones they are now, guys. Yeah, it's not this. It's this one, Graven Talisman, and the other talisman, the other spell sorcery talisman. I got it, Drew. Thank you, man. So that's it. Godfrey Icon, Magic Scorpion Charm, Graven Mask Talisman, and the Graven School Talisman. With those weps, I can take the birds off my back now and put my Royal Knight Cavalry armor back on for the cool drip, folks. Looking pretty sexy. Digging it, digging the build. Graven School isn't a move. Graven Mass, not Graven School. Oh yeah, Graven Mass, Graven School. Yeah, both of them. I use them both though. Don't I use them both? Yeah, if I'm not going to use my Spear Ash. And you know what, actually? I am going to use the Spear Ash. But see, when I hold both staves, do I not get a magic bonus? But this was the actual build. This is the actual build. And then in this hand, I hold this. It's so I can do this, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Why is it doing that? Oh, because I have the freaking staff in my hand. This one. I can do this. And massive amounts of poopies will be had, folks. Okay, at the Grace, I'm going to put down my Cornfolio so I can be summoned by Drew. And we can run him to the capital and kick butt and have some fun. Alexander might be the move. Yeah. It depends on, like I said. Okay, cool. Trey's starting the game. Love it, folks. Ooh, you can see my death counter, guys. My freaking death counter is active. I gotta shoot that off. I am being summoned by Drew. Trey will be in a minute, guys. I'm going to grab a water, guys. I'll be back in 1 minute, and we're going to melt some stuff. Tree Sentinel's going down, guys. Got happy, folks. I got happy. Oh, I said I fixed the coffee cam. I did fix the coffee cam, folks. I had to switch cams. You guys want to brighten up the coffee cam? Hey, what's up, Drew? Let me get the coffee cam. And let me... You guys can see me configure video. And let's just see if we can brighten it up a little bit, guys. There we go. That looks pretty good. Much better, right, guys? Yeah, that's it. Okay, we got a real coffee cam now. I'll go tell you guys, hey. I'm gonna give you a real life hey, Drew. invaded? Are we get invaded? I gotta give this guy hay. Where'd he go? How do you run so far so fast? Is there two of them? He's over here. Dude, he hit me with the moon. He debuffed me, bro. I'm running back to you. I'm gonna try and hit him with the poopies. Why can't I do it? Why won't it let me do my my ash, guys? He got the hunter helped. Huh. What's wrong with my... Why is it doing that? Oh, because I have to two-hand it? Oh, wrong camera, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry. There's nothing I could do. Hey, I had to come back fast, guys. Yeah, I didn't have time to look, guys. We got invaded. But I still don't understand why it's not... I don't have to two-hand it to do it, to use the skill. Oh, wait. I guess I have to two-hand it. Yeah, it happens. It happens. That time I didn't forget. That time I just didn't... I mean, I guess I forgot, but I didn't have time. We were invaded. I ran back to the keyboard and looked at the screen. Basically, what happened was he was shooting some poopies. I was shooting some poopies. And the guy got killed. It was interesting. It was interesting. Yeah. We're looking. Did you see him, Drew? He said summon me. Oh, the warming stones are so warming. They're heartwarming, folks. They're freaking heartwarming. Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Guys, they're formality. Hey! You have to say hey. All right. Lead the way, Drew. At your leisure. Dre's like, man, I wanted to beat her for that kill, bro. I don't understand. It works now. I don't understand what I was doing wrong. We got a Folio. We got a Folio. I just got the Rankler. I didn't see him. I was hitting shift. I was hitting shift and my mouse button. Over and over again. I swear I was. I'm like, why is it not working? I couldn't understand it. Yeah, I don't understand it. Oh, I should rest, right? Oh, I guess I already did rest. Will I have to put my finger down again? I might have screwed it up by resting. I'm gonna put it down one more time. Sorry. There we go, folks. Oh, man. He got you, man. Yeah. Dude, I'm clueless. I'm the guy that never knows we got invaded. If I would have known we got invaded, I'm like, is that Trey? He looks rather red. Trey's name is Bloody Finger, whatever? Yeah, no. Then I'm like, oh, duh, you big dummy. Stop being such a big dummy. Meanwhile, I was back to where I was. I got my water, and it's good. It's only a half of water, but guys, I keep drinking it like this is a half water that's warm. I'll stick it back in the fridge, and I'll pull it out later and drink it. Because I'm not always completely finishing my last one. We got invaded again. I'm coming. Oh, Trey's just cleaning up. I see. I see. Okay, cool. Corn Coolio. Die when I look at you with my awesome ash. I rain hell from skies, folks. Okay, now I'm like looking to see if there's freaking invaders. Got. Here's revenge. Whiplash, what's up, my brother? Yeah, he snuck up on me after I slashed and hit me 3 times. No chance, right? Hey, Whiplash, welcome. We are running Trey into the capital. Eat that with your shield, buddy. How come he's not taking damage? Take damn when I should have kept your shield up there, buddy. This guy's like, with his shield's a little bit annoying. I gotta get with the fam. I gotta get back with the fam, folks. Oh, and I gotta reallocate my flasks, man. I gotta allocate my flasks. What's going on tonight, Whiplash? What are you up to, man? You gaming? We're gonna run by and grab the Grace first. Is I'm guessing. So we have to run up these stairs again, but it's up to you. I wouldn't mind because I want to allocate my flasks anyway. Nope. I guess not. Whoa. Why are you on me, bro? I'm over here trying to buff. And I should probably just be killing stuff. I have not attacked anything. And they're freaking all over me. Okay, here comes some damn. Big damn. I wasn't able to buff, but he's believe me. He's feeling this right. He came at me, and for good reason. Is Drew taking that one upstairs all by himself? I love it. Drew is working on top of the stairs, folks. Big damn. Stay still. Oh my god. How you doing up here, Drew? No! No! Just got done playing Elden Ring. They LOL decided to come chill here. Whiplash, cool, man. Well, thanks for coming in, man. Thank you for coming in. I got to allocate my flask, guys. Allocate flaskuses. Because I am very little mana. Allocate flasks. Yeah, 12 and 2, guys. I think I want to go half and half. Should be pretty good. Hey, Dirty Finger going down. Dirty Finger going down. Down, down, down. Dirty Fingers going down. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, man. So you're going to just run to it by yourself, you're saying, or? Because we can take those guys out. I would like to buff. I was having trouble buffing, folks. The buffing sequence was confusing me here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Do 8, 6, or 6, 8. 7 will give you 3 for both instead of 4, 3, or 3, 4. Really? Okay. Okay. Love it. Allocate flaskuses. Okay. Dirty Finger going down. Don't forget the tongue action, Drew. Yeah, good job, Caleb. Be sure Drew is reminded. So is Drew running to the grace then? Is that what he's doing? No, I'm getting summoned. Cool, 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 cool. This is very corncoolio. My finger is down behind the bosses. Yeah, I'll just run with you, man. We don't have to kill anything. And you just stay alive. As a matter of fact, let me run a little bit ahead of you. Let me... No. It doesn't matter, Trey, because we're just going to run. I mean, if you and I run ahead of him and, like, you know, get a little bit of the aggro and stuff, we can get him there faster. It's just, if you want to... Yeah, we're just going to run past him. We're just going to run past him. And let me go first. Save yourself, Drew. I will be the sacrificial lamb. Dude, those arrows come so fast, bro. This is hard enough. This is hard enough as a freaking on a horse. Are you coming? I'm crowding him up. Ooh, that was pretty good AoE, man. That was pretty good AoE. Thought we were gonna run to the grace though. You want to kill them all? Kill them all. But then we should have stayed with Trey. We should have had Trey. Okay, I'll aggro the next batch and just you can run by them. I'm running to the top now. And then we'll kill the horse brothers. Oh, Trey is here. Oh, no, there's a... We got invaded. He returned to his world. I thought we were going to run to the grace. Trey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought we were running to the grace. I'm gonna run to the Grace. I'll let Drew do that. So then I won't feel guilty about leaving, not summoning Trey, because we're right there. We could have summoned you. Oh, you can't run past the bosses during co-op. Well, then we got it. Yeah, then we'll clear these and we'll summon you, Trey. That was a dumb move, but it worked. Get poked. Get poked. Okay. I'm looking, didn't see it. Where is it? That makes so much sense. I didn't even know that. It was before the second patch of Mason Center, just after the crossbows. It'll be right down here. We get Trey. I'm gonna have a ton of buff guys. This will be kind of cool. Yeah, that'll be good. Just before the second patch of enemies in the center. Get poked. Right in the center, huh? Because he's not seeing it, right? We'll find it. Folks, if you're new to the stream, my name is Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. We're going to be doing all of the downloadable content all day, every day. All right, we got him. Give your buddy a hey.
Hey!
Hey!
We had a IRL meetup this weekend, and it was freaking awesome. It was really cool. And I have a ton of barbecue. Cookies? I got the best cookie, guys. Mmm. This is a good cookie, guys. There's way too many cookies, guys. Now we get to play Elden Ring, guys. They're right next to each other. You better come in, bro. Yeah. You know why they need to kill me? They know they gotta kill me. You know why? The big dam, guys. Big dam. Well, maybe not now. Hit them. They're next to each other. Charged. Who's coming? Oh god. Am I dead? I think we're gonna win, guys. I think we might win. That guy's got the shield though. It's like a freaking laser beam. Yeah, I think that's what just hit me. What if he shielded when I did the ash? Would the stuff like just fly out of the ground? I'm afraid to do this because I might die. Ooh. He's get. Ooh, I might have to stay alive, guys. We got him. I was out of health pots though, so that'll be good. And how am I doing on mana pots? 3. Okay, so next time I allocate, folks. Next time I allocate, I will be doing less mana, more health. Less mana, more health. And the amazing, amazing cookie, folks. So good. I'm not gaining weight, guys. I'm not gaining weight with freaking cookies, man. Cookies. Cookies, maybe not good. Back, what did I miss? I gotta allocate. Flasks, allocate flasks. So, outside the door at the Grace, right? Yeah. Where you go? Guys, this is why I don't buy food. I don't buy cookies. I don't buy sodas, because I freaking will eat them. I have zero willpower. Hey, the chillers get-together is over. I was looking fine. If I gain a few pounds for the Nick Savage social, so be it. Billy says, what? Just asking, what was the character's name? Should I go get a Dr. Pepper, guys? I got ice cold Dr. Peppers in the ice chest.
Hey!
Still. Crazy. I know what's happening here, guys. We're fighting this freaking thing. We always do. Oh, grab the Dr. Pepper? Okay, I'm going to grab Dr. Pepper, guys. You guys know this takes 1 second. Sugar rushing over here. This is the last Dr. Pepper, man. Oh well, no, there's still some in the truck. The last Dr. Pepper out of the ice chest. Oh God, this could be a really, really, really bad habit for me to like eat junk food while I stream. Trey's sleeping, folks. Trey is dead to the world. Let me see if I can wake him up.
Hey!
Hey! Guess I'm gonna lay down, guys. I don't know what else to do. Let's just, hey, you got the tongue out, right, Drew? Because if an invader comes, Trey will wake up. It's like smelling salts. Wake up, little snoozy. He will definitely wake up. Oh, okay. He went. Okay, that's cool. Okay, be right back. Is there anything else we can kill around here? Or wait. Maybe farm some beast bones. I don't know. Is there any secret hidden bosses over here somewhere? Caleb says, Charlie, anyway, you could put the real life meetup videos, pictures on here. If not, that's fine. I was just thinking for the people not subbed on Facebook. You know, I could. I really could. Who's got invaded? He's getting mad. Okay. I think I got the aggro. Drinking. Okay, so where's the... We got invaded, right? Get your big bunk while you can, folks. Did we not just get invaded? I thought we got... Yeah, there he is. He's a night commenter. Where is he? He's running for his life, folks. You know why? Because he knows what's best for him. He knows what's good for his health. He's trying to run us into the boss, folks. You guys want me to take the boss and you guys kill him? Might be a move. Trey doesn't care. I'll take the boss. I'll take the boss. You guys kill him. But pretend like you're going to fight the boss. You know, like so he'll start attacking you or something. Because if he keeps running away... Don't attack the boss, Trey. Trying to hit the boss. Of course, I can't hit him yet. I'm trying to get him off you, Trey. Oh, I got him off. I'm going to kite him to Orgrimmar. Okay, that's okay. I don't know why I think I can kill this thing myself. I had to heal, guys. He has no weapon, guys. He freaking yelled at me and hurt my feelings. Did you guys get him? Because I got the boss under control, man. I got the boss mesmerized. Now I feel like I want to run up to the action. No, that's a definite idea. Oh, man. Drew died? I guess I got some delay issue. Oh, man. Sorry, Drew. Hey, we're right at the grace, man. It's fine. We got invaded. We were waiting for Trey. It's perfect, folks. It's perfect. Okay, put down the dirty finger of love. There we go. Dirty finger of love is down. You guys have probably never seen me drink a soda, guys. In 3.5 years, I have never opened a can of sugar and drank it on stream. Never. Never. Weird. But I don't drink sodas. Can't follow these invaders into the trap, so they got to move on our terms. Yeah, but he will just... Yeah, he'll run past us and kind of wait around, right? I thought it was a good move. If we all ran together, it might have been better. But I thought it was a good move. If we all would have started attacking the boss, but, like, let me take the aggro, you know what I'm saying? And then you guys switch to him, and I cut the boss away. That could be it could be a good move. I can live against that freaking fool. I had him all the way down the stairs, and I had him walking backwards slow. I was like, well, I wasn't even doing anything. Trap didn't really affect me, right? I got greedy fighting him instead of healing, and that's why I lost. Yeah. Yeah, that was the thing. That was the thing. If we would have all been together and he would be like, they're falling into my trap, and then we all start fighting the boss. But maybe you guys just like whack it with a sword or something, not really hard, you know what I'm saying? I slam it with a couple of death rank horses and it comes after me. You guys be rolling around under his legs. Then you guys could freaking turn on that fool and kill him. You know what I mean? That'd be the move. You got to trick them, guys. You got to make them think that they're in charge, right? Staying together is the manunu. Yeah, especially in that situation, not just with the invader, but with the boss coming in. I thought the transition was pretty good, though. I picked up the boss pretty quick. As fast as I could get there. And then maybe next time Trey should kite the boss away and just go ahead and let me handle the invader. I think that probably... What do you think, Drew? Is that probably the move? That might be the move. You know I'm just kidding. Now this guy's taking some food. I can't believe when it lags and like they freeze up that you never get hit. How is that? You guys see like artifacts? Oh, it's because the is there an invader or something? Where's the boss? He died? Yeah, I feel some disturbances in the lag as well, folks. Falling behind, guys. I gotta go with the program, okay? We said stay together. Drew's laughing. Trey likes to move, folks. He likes to move it, move it. I love that about him. Trey's learning how to play chess too, man. He really is. We're gonna kill this little pooper, right? Dude, I put down a second Terra Magica for like a larger experience. A larger Terra Magica experience, folks. Here at Sorceries Halig Gaming, we have the largest Terra Magicas in the world. You just saw it. It's huge. You can see it from here, guys. You can see it from outer space. If you put them side by side, you could actually see them from outer space, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna reset here for the Tree Sentinel or no? I'm out of mana. This guy's not going to be okay. He's not going to be okay, folks. Did Trey... What happened to Trey? Should have stayed in. Oh, you left to you left to get your pot, huh? Yeah, I want to get my pot too. How do I let me see. Multiplayer. Return to my world. I'll be right back. Resting. Yeah. Cuz I want to do full poop malarkey on that freaking on that tree sentinel. I want it to be very thick with cheese, very thick with cheese. That's all I had to do, right? Okay, now zoom up to here. Oh wait, the next one. That wasn't Earth Tree Gazing. I don't have that, Grace, that we just saw. I might have to run to it from it's very close, but wait. Where am I going? This way. Yeah, this is the grace I saw. I went the wrong way, guys. Outer wall, but that'll go. Sorry it's taking me so long, guys. I'm a little slow on the update. Outer wall, BG, or did you want to summon on the road? I'll put it back here. That's where we were, right? Yeah, so you don't have to, so we can kill the trolls and stuff. All right, guys. Capital's gonna be fun, guys. Capital is gonna be, yeah, Capital's gonna be a freaking hoot. It's gonna be a hootie patootie, as I like to say here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, with my bright red shirt, folks. They need to patch this glitch. What glitch? What glitch do you speak of? You're talking about the summoning and stuff and failing and all that stuff?
Hey! Hey!
I love Drew's got the Death Sorcerer 2, same poker, but he's got a shield. The item that makes you look like other stuff doesn't work. Doesn't. I see you look like other stuff all the time.
Hey!
So this I do not know about. You turn into stuff, but your character model is still shown. Oh, really? But it worked in the past, right? Like, did something break? I don't know, man. I feel like when I see you turn into something, I don't see a character model. Saving mana, folks. Yeah, it worked in the past. Last patch did something to it. Oh, that sucks. I'm getting up the swords, folks, to beat on the troll's legs. Okay? Getting close enough now. We're going to start getting shot at, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit the hit. They need to put horses in multiplayer. Sorry. I know they're not going to. I'm just saying. I think that'd be a huge, huge quality of life upgrade. It's not, I'm not asking for flying mounts. You know what I mean? To change the entire freaking game. But I am saying, whoa, it's always bad. Dude, I tried to precog it, bro. I tried to precog it and didn't get there. Oh my god, the other one's on me. I'm gonna go get him. Because he's just gonna keep shooting at me. Dude, I'm not gonna have any health pots for anything. Okay, if I can get under him, he won't keep shooting at me, will he? Wouldn't he like try and stop me and stuff? Oh, he has fire in his mouth, huh? Interesting. I took care of it here. Cool. Oh, I got a warming stone, if you guys don't mind. Inventorio. Use. Good. I'll stand between the two of them. And I can buff while I warm. Let me see. Okay. Just get a little bit more warmer, guys. Just a little bit more warmer stoner. Oh, and I can change my webs, right? Gold bow. Drink a little bit. I'm ready when you guys are. Do we get baited or something? Charlie, look. Yeah, I see the flag. But what does it do? I saw it, but I don't. I've never seen it before. I don't know what it does. How'd you do it? How'd you do that?
Hey! Hey!
Yeah, that's what I say. In other words, let's roll. You guys like the double Terra Magica? That'd be cool if they stacked. Oh, he's getting toasted. Capital is gonna be a joke. Oh, that melts him, dude. The ash melts him. I think the ash, yeah, was definitely doing great. Damn. I was showing you the glitch. Oh, I see. I'm like, what? Yeah, I don't know what that is. There was a flag above your head or something. Seamless co-op mod has horses in co-op. Yeah, that would be freaking awesome, man. Now, next race is called what? Capital Rampart, right? I turned into a flag. I see. Yeah, that guy was taking a lot of damn, folks. He was taking a lot. Okay, now I gotta go. Oh yeah, right inside the door or something, right, guys? Guys, it's very exclusive PvP skills that you need to learn how to use, and you gotta know that you summon inside the door. Trey, I think Trey usually put it further up. Okay, have a good night, Charlie. Max, dude, thanks for being here, man. I love you, brother. We will meet. My capital is Ash, so we can only summon here. Yeah, right here, right? Oh, I see. So once you die... Yeah, I think my capital's Ash, too. My capital is 100% pure Ash. And I was gonna, like, not burn it on one of my characters on a Reduvia Dagger or something, and I did anyway, because I wanted to kill more bosses, guys. It's Elden Ring. It's a game. I want to play the game, you know? Well, do you want to run past stuff then? You want to just run him right to his Avenue Balcony Grace? And then freaking run to freaking Goldfree? Because this whole area is kind of sad in that way, right? It's almost, it's just rough because then you don't get the capital experience. But and I'm in the same boat. Mine is Ash too. So neither of us. I think every character I own, I got to make one character NG plus, get it to the capital, and never burn the freaking joint. Where's Trey? This. I get the swords up, so you know. It's to save mana and stuff. If we can't rest. If help. We can't rest, folks. No, but where'd Trey go? Don't understand. Oh, you're gonna summon him up here or something? Yeah, I know we've summoned over here before for some reason. Wait, it says I see him on the map, but where the hell is it? Where is he? Oh, did he run ahead or something? I have no idea what these guys are doing. I'm just following, guys. I'm here to help. I'm here to help, folks. I'm asking too many questions for someone that's supposed to be helping. When you help, you don't say, you know, I'll help, but why, and, you know, how long, and, you know. Yeah. Well, cost me a health pot. I'm gonna run to Avenue Balcony, man, because I can't afford the health pots. I just wasted a mana pot. That is freaking the worst thing that could have happened. But whose fault is it? Operator error on my part, guys. Operator error on my part. I'm down a whole health pot and a whole mana pot. Pretty bad. Now, didn't Trey say, let's try and survive? I don't understand what's happening here. And then he attacks the Cornfolio by himself. You're too big. You're too big. He's too big, guys. He is. Whoa. Okay, warming stones, warming stones, warming stones. Aw, you just busted a heal? Just bust a heal. Darn it. Thank you for busting a heal. That was sweet. I don't think I have any heals.
Hey!
Hey. We didn't get invaded, did we? Okay, so this is going to be gold free. Is gold free like immune to all magic damage or something stupid? I mean, I'll still be able to put the hurt on him.
Hey!
And I might have a starlight shard I could burn if I need to, guys. As a matter of fact. No, when I run out. Oh my god, why am I doing this? I like the way he just runs right at him. Get poked. All the sisters are coming. Every sister in the world's coming. I don't have enough mana and health pots for that. Just gold free must perish. And we're going to get sent back after gold free, and then what do? We'll do it again? See what I'm saying? Run all the way back again? It's kind of a lot, isn't it? Oh, yeah, but he said if we can get to Morgoth, that's why he said that. That's why Drew said that. He said if I can get to Morgoth, I'll be happy. Yeah, so we'll kill gold free, and then he'll be to Morgoth. Stones, buddy? You think you're freaking me out because I don't have any health? Okay. I'm done for running back. If you are... To do your Morgoth, you mean? Your Morgoth? I'm drinking. Probably shouldn't have, but I did. Yeah, dude. I'll run back. We could... It'd probably be faster for all of us just to run back and summon at Morgoth, right? Although then we would all have to kill all the... whatever trash we bring up with us. Dude, that guy almost hit me, bro. So I guess, yeah, we could just run back. But if we ran straight without killing stuff, it'd go a hell of a lot faster. Or we could run back and kill all the same things that we just killed 5 minutes ago. That we could do that too. I don't even freaking care. thing was freaking killing me, bro. Inventory. I need warming stones. Am I get killed? I just Starlight sharded my pants. I thought I did. I just Starlight sharded my pants, guys. So that'll be good. Okay, I don't know what this guy's strong against, what he's weak against. I'm just gonna have fun with it. Starlight Shard's not doing jack for me, bro. So that's Golden Vow, but he's just like holding it. I always wondered, like, why does he do that? What spell is that? Hey, man, my flask was up, folks, so we're good. Good, I got stuck against the wall. I had no idea. I had no idea. We got. Yeah, oh, I like that Terra Magica. Nice. Okay. Toner's down. Not sure why no one has invaded. No, it's all right. Okay, so now we're gonna just run again and do Morgoth, right? Is that what you want to do, Drew? That's your plan? Dirty Fingers down. Hey Trey, what that gaming system that I think did Billy bring it? Was that the Steam Deck? Is that what that was? Billy Mullenix, I saw him holding this beautiful thing, and it looked like it had sticks on it. It's kind of wide, about this big or something, right? Oof! Yeah, I can't summon you here. Yeah, no, you summon back at the Capital Rampart, and we just run back. That was a portable PlayStation console, huh? Really? And it plays PlayStation games? How? It's crazy. Queen's bedchamber. Oh, like out front or whatever? Oh, no. Yeah, no. He can just run in the Queen's bedchamber. We'll try it. Okay, I put mine in Queen's bedchamber. If it works here, then we can. But no, didn't we try this with Cat? It's my capital, guys. He's a little bit poopy. The tree's pooped. And my Godfrey is dead. No, because we can just run back, right? We can just run back. Just go to Capital Rampart and we just run through. Right? Oh, so we'd have to do your Godfrey too. Oh, so you can't go past it. Your Godfrey's alive and your capital is burned? When do you burn capital? You burn capital when you kill Malekith. Right? Is that true? I don't know. You would think, guys, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, I don't know anything about Elden Ring. I've been playing for 1,500 hours. And I still, to this day... When you burn the Halig tree, I know something happens. And there's a whole bunch of stuff that you're not allowed to do anymore. And then when you burn the capital, I thought that was from... Malekith. Capital is burned when you kill Malekith. Godfrey is after Gideon. Oh, your Godfrey is alive. I was thinking your Goldfrey. So how's that? That's not a problem then, right? So we're fine. Right? If your Godfrey is up, that doesn't matter because we're going to his Morgott. Or is that the problem? Is it the same arena or something? Or well, if we can't do it, then I want to get back to my Halig tree run. Yeah, no. I think you already checked the bed chamber. I had mine down for a minute, but it doesn't work. Since we killed Goldfrey, we can't summon at the front of capital. Oh, I see. Okay, so are we done then? Steam Deck does streaming of PlayStation games also, and so much more. Caleb, cool. I didn't know if that thing that Billy Mullen said was not a Steam Deck or not, because I don't know what any of these things look like. Okay, so we're done, right, guys? I think I'm going to continue through the Halig tree. Yeah, we can't help with that more guy. That's okay. I'm going to continue to, with my my Halig tree, guys. We got him that far, though. We got him to Morgott. That's what he was hoping for, right? He said, now, wait a minute. Did I not... Did I not get the grace at Loretta, guys? I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I think I literally did not get the grace at Loretta. How is that even a thing? I didn't get the grace at Loretta because I'm a bad Souls player. Because I was so hyped up to go help Drew run through Capital, which was fun, guys. Now, I'm going to continue on through my Halig tree. Wow. Like, I can't get hit by this crap. Dang, these guys are busting me, man. There we go. I never grabbed Loretta's grace, man. Did I leave runes here? All those times I died, did I really die? Yeah, I guess I really did die. How do you not grab this grace, man? Alright. So, will I be pulling Millennia? I would say, sure, why not? Are these spells going to work on her? I would say, well, Frost probably works on her, right? So it could be fun. This is not my second Death Sorcerer playthrough, though. This is my only Death Sorcerer playthrough. So it's not like I've tried any of this stuff on Millennia, but I know she's not going to be easy, guys. But this is to get it done. Yeah, death spells work great. Do they really, Drew? Cool. Coolio. And that elevator goes where? Oh, well, we're going to find out in a minute after we pick our free loot, guys. So it's a Somber 7 or something? Does anyone remember? Pick all free butterfly spells. You might need them for the expansion. Ancient. Wow, nice. Nice. Now we're getting the big loot today, folks. The good stuff. Ancient Dragon Smithing Stone, guys. Are they going to make... Do they make... In Souls games, do they make like weapons go to higher level or anything? So where you can plus 30 things, or they don't do that kind of thing, do they? Okay, this guy gives me a hard time sometimes, guys. Yeah, he's a freaking, what's the word? He's a beanpole. He's not coming at me, though. He's very stunned like Gideon was. Only not as powerful as we all know him. Did we do any quests? No, we didn't. She's not here. Traces, he'll go away. Oh, yeah. You know what, man? If you guys want to kill my, what's her freaking name again? Millennia. I would be cool with that, but I mean, I ain't like trying to. Just kind of hoping we could help Trey more, but I think we went about as far. I mean, Drew. Sorry, guys, but I think we went about as far as we could with his scenario. Did you have something? Ooh, this guy. Charm. Okay, we better drink. Once he comes out, he's gonna be dangerous. Oh god. No! Hey. I dropped down to his sister, guys. Out of the frying pan into the fire. I was fighting one. And I dropped down to where there were more. Do I know where I am? Oh my god. I think I do know where I am. I think I don't know how to get that 1.5 million runes. I have two things y'all could help me with: getting my capital on my second, or Godfrey on my main. Godfrey's fun. Remember, all we got to do is get down, get funky, get live. Guys, I got to go back for those runes, man. I should have flashed. Or I should drink. Don't remember exactly where the runes were, but I fell off back here. And then I ran through it. There's loot there I could get too. Yeah. So I'm gonna run through here like I did. Now I'm on a mission to get my rune. Well, that's not gonna do it. Well, okay, at least the runes are gone. Now I don't have to worry about the runes. I'm at abandoned coffin on my second and need to get past the 50%. Dragon. You beat Morgott first try. Drew, nice. So is there something, Drew, Trey, that, like, is there a grace that you want me to come to and help you do something? Because if there is, I will. Also beat my 28th run through on my sleep bill, by the way. Nice. I stopped counting, man, so I really don't know how many Elden Beasts I've killed. I know it's at least 21, but I think it's definitely, I think I did a couple more. Whoa. Abandoned Coffin Grace. And is that, okay, that's in Deep Root Depths. You know what? Let me run to my grace. Let me run to my grace. Come on! Now, this is where my freaking runes were. Dude, I try to freaking... Dude, I made it. Oh my god. I made it. I got my grace. No early out just before capital. Oh, the 50% dragon. Got you. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out of combat. Oh my... What the hell? I guess I'm going to the next grace. I got a freaking guy on me. Snitches get stitches! I want to get stitches, guys. Snitches gonna get stitches. I tried to stop at that grace, man, but I couldn't. There were two guys on me. So now I'm having to run even further. % dragon's gonna be a nice little joke. I wanna see Jay go berserk when Streamer comes on in real life. Yeah. Hey, did you guys hear that Logan Paul's like backing out of the Tyson fight? Is that... You know, I kind of been not watching a whole bunch of news and YouTube and stuff. I watched a little bit, but not over the weekend, not too much. Not like I normally do. But I think I saw a video where they were saying he was backing out of the fight. Abandoned, and I'm not gonna have abandoned coffin grace, I don't think. Well, let me look and see. Oh yeah, I know it will be over, like, because a rune. I bet I do have it. Nope. But I have the rune strewn. That's a abandoned coffin. Found it. I found it. You might be behind. Jay might want to refresh. Who's it so hard? At the right time. Stream rock rules. Oh, okay, so right here, yeah. Putting it down. Cool. Percent dragon got no chance, bro. Not when I'm here. My dirty finger is right by the grace. Yeah. Nice. Good looking out, Drew. What's going on with you, Jay? How you doing, my brother? I'll tell you, man, when I went live from my phone, when I watched some of those videos I made, man, it's like the freaking the voice is off time. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Did you guys, anyone notice that, like on my video of me at the park with everybody at the picnic? I feel like the voice is not syncing. So I don't know what was like. Why is it doing that? It's annoying. It's a great annoyer. So after 50% dragon, is it? Are you going? Whoa! You guys are freaking me out.
Hey! 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 Hey!
All right, guys. We got the haze. All the haze are underway. I need to eat real food, guys. I can't keep eating cookies and drinking soda. Rain down the poopies. He better run. If he knows what's good for him. Why I oughta. Twin Lightning. What is his build? Trey, did you tell me about it and I wasn't listening? Guys, playing with Drew and Trey. Drew couldn't make it to get together this weekend, but Trey could. So I got to meet Trey in real life, and we had a freaking blast. Talking about the stream, and about games, and about freaking Elden Ring, and about just other stuff that has nothing to do with anything. It was cool, man. Yeah, he didn't make it. Get poked. Trey's kiting this one to Orgrimmar. Chilling and enjoying the vibes. Very cool, man. Missed you, man. We missed everybody that couldn't make it today or this weekend. We missed you guys. It seems like it was days ago. It's a trip to me that was just last night that we had that big party. Invaded by the dirty poopy finger. He's behind us. He's behind us. He's over to the right. I'm going to take the high ground. Come on. Come on, don't hang up on the tree. Man, I never even got any damn guys. That sucked. No, good job, guys. Gilberto. Got him! You sure did, brother. All right, moving forward, folks. Moving forward, looking for PvP adventures, and if you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. Gosh, man. I should definitely be taking a night off, but I'm not feeling the night off. You know what I'm saying, guys? Oh. What's up, Wolfie? Sorry, sir. The door's way too heavy, sir. Golden row of fruits. Guys, you gotta tell him because he doesn't know. He doesn't know, guys. We gotta jump at the grace so he can see it. Wait. You don't need sacred tears, huh? That's cool. Get beast boned. Get thin beast boned. Okay. Oh, Trey with the AoE. Nice. Leather draped tabard. Cool. Isn't there a pumpkin head around here somewhere? Oh god, the archers. Forgot about the freaking archers. I hate them. Who here doesn't hate the archers? I hate the archers, guys. It's like the more archers you kill, the cooler you are. A little lag. A little lag. The guy was hiding behind his shield. The guy with the knife seemed to be really aggressive. Like, oh my god, he's got a knife, kind of aggressive. You know what I'm saying? Told you. I'm just poking him. Saving my potions, guys, for the invaders. You know which way he is? Looking for a little guy in red clothes. What did I just hear? The deadly steps again, folks. So the invader didn't make it? Is that what I'm supposed to believe? I didn't see it say returned, but... Sanji, what's up, dude? Chasing my friend around. Oh my god, the invader. The invader. The invader's here. Trey, must you teabag the invaders? I mean... There we go. I gotta admit, Trey had a pretty good teabag on that guy. Real life meetup looked dope. Hate I couldn't make it. Sanji, you know what, man? We're gonna be doing this a long time, brother. And so, oh yeah, you guys want to refresh here? So next year's okay. If you didn't make it this year, guys, you're fine as long as you know, as long as you make it next year. Multiplayer, cut the dirty finger off. Yes. Oh no, you can't summon me here because I burned my Altus Plateau. Yeah, it's a new thing. It's a new rule. Sack to face ratio was on point. Looks like my flasks were refreshed. Oh, I should have looked at mine, I guess, then. Oh, wait. What grace was that called? That was Junction, right? Yeah. It was Conjunction, Junction, Conjunctivitis. What's your function? Yeah, I put it down, like, in the yellow, so it'll be almost impossible for you to find it. It's right here. Somehow I feel like Trey was teabagging that guy before he actually was even dead. I mean, I looked over there instantly. I was watching. I was fighting. I was attacking. And then I look and I feel like Trey started like the teabag procedure before the guy was even dead. That's disrespectful. Yeah, okay, we're good. Now, do you guys want to run to the next grace? Or do you want to... Oh, no, we can't run to the next grace. Yeah, so we just got to kill. We just got to kill stuff as we go. I got to remember, guys. I'm remembering now. Ooh, is mine failing? It's been a minute. But it hasn't failed yet, folks. It hasn't failed yet. So if we get there, we get there. If we don't, we don't. All right? Unable to join. Failed to join the session. Canceling. Putting in a different spot of the world. Dirty finger going down. Down, down, down. Dirty fingers going down. It's down, folks. So having like nightmares about like forgetting something Took a lot of stuff out of my freaking. I took a lot of stuff this weekend with me, man. And I'm just like, will it work right? It might not work right there, huh? It's because I made a floater. I made a floater. Should I replace the floater? So this build is spear build at the moment, but will evolve into my lightning build. Nice. I made a floater. Is that bad? Let me see if I can look at it from over here and you can actually get the full. I'm being summoned to another world, guys. Yay! Oh, you guys had Invader. Okay. Good. Glad you guys melted him.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey. All right, let's roll. Let's do something. Will that archer start shooting? Yeah, he will. He stood up, but he didn't start shooting. Interesting. You can, like, skip almost all of this, right? You know that? By going to the right. Who shot him? One of the archers accidentally shot that fool. It was a friendly fire scenario. Although, I don't know if you need a horse for it. You probably don't, right? As long as you have your parkour abilities exceed or meet or exceed the FDA's daily recommended allowance. Sanji says, Drew, what's up, man? You're going to do something over here? What is over here? What is this, guys? It's like a scarecrow. Wants me, you know why? You know what wants me? Big damn. Ooh, that's pretty big damn right there. See, it's doing the thing where it's not. It's. Oh wait, no. Now I. I knew he was gonna hit me. You know why? He feels threatened, folks. Big damn. My name's Big Damn Charlie. Any loot or anything? Uh-oh. Okay, so we gotta go back. Mm-hmm. Yeah, next year, Sanji, I'll tell you, man, it was really cool. It's really cool meeting you guys and people meeting each other and everything. It's pretty cool. Because we've been hanging out for a minute. You know what I mean? Like always, Trey probably did his finishing teabagging. It's very possible, Caleb. It's very possible. Back down at the Altus Highway Junction. God, I want a cookie. This stuff will kill you, man. Straight sugar. I have all that barbecue, but you know one thing I really didn't have is any of the I don't think I ate much of the smoked. Was it smoked turkey, right? Made it to the next grace. Love it. Perfect, Trey. We have to go inside the door. Mine should be dead. Yeah, mine are dead. Yeah, like right here, right? Mm-hmm. And now I gotta get ready for some serious butt whooping. Like flasking up and opening up. You know what I'm saying? Did I, was I supposed to? Charlie put down, thank you, Caleb. Thank you, dude. But I think I am going to make a barbecued, smoked turkey is what that was. Yeah, smoked turkey. A smoked turkey, barbecue sandwich, man. I got a bunch of the sauce left, man. The sauce was good. They had spicy and sweet. And when Courtney and I were splitting the sauce, we mixed them together because that's all I do anyway. I put a ton of the sweet on, a ton of the spicy on, and it's just absolutely magical. Ooh, we got a boss. Why do I feel like I have like almost no health, man? I'm gonna VTF you. True. He's gonna appear any second, folks. Oh no, is he failing? I just got the worst feeling, guys. Oh, here he is. Good. Okay, I'm gonna VTF you. Who pulled his sister? Who's ever trying to make it interesting? I got knocked out of the freaking. It's like the minute I show up, they're on top of it. Wow. No, right in the face, bro. I need mana. Where's the invader? Dude. That's why I think it's crazy to stand near each other. Because they can get double blows. I love the way we're not really focusing fire either. It's kind of fun. Dude. You still on me, bro? You still want to play? Where is he? I can't even see you. It's like you wouldn't target system. There you go. Why are you freaking attacking me, bro? He wants me, folks. He wants me, but he doesn't know how to attack me. Well, he hit me there. Alright, guys, he was dead. I shot his body. I feel good about it. I shot his body, and I liked it. Hey.
Hey!
Caleb says, I need to find a barbecue sauce that doesn't have sugar in it. I like barbecue sauce, but don't really eat it because of sugar. Yeah, right. Yeah, and barbecue sauce does have sugar in it, man. I mean, there might be some diet style or something. But all of them don't have to be, like, real sweet. You know what I mean? Like, overly sugar, but still probably a ton of sugar. I think there's a ton of freaking... Isn't there a bunch of sugar and ketchup, too, or something? Is there a lot of sugar and ketchup, Trey? I mean, Caleb, sorry. Gotta put down my dirty finger. I can't get someone, folks. Guys, I gotta grab a squirrel. Squirrel achieved. There's some zero sugar ketchups and they taste fine, says Drew. Nice. Dude, that's cool, man. Yeah, because I remember when I was doing my keto thing, I could do, I'm like, oh, I can have a burger, cheese, tomato. You can't have too many tomatoes, but you can have tomato, onion, lettuce, and it's just like a burger, just no bread. But I gotta have ketchup on it. And it's like the ketchup, I think, was kind of not very keto, if I remember right. No substitute sugar either. Just less than 1 sugar. It says nice. Oh, he wants his bonker. Guys, he wants his bonker, man. I mean, you want your bonker, right? I'm gonna put the frost on this fool. You guys just watch out. There's no time, guys. There's no time to do anything. Whoa. There's no time to run around. Grabbed me! Kill him quick! Get the grab on me, bro. Like he's a weak monster. Try to grab me again. He grabbed me and tried to grab me again. Wait, guys. You gotta show him because he doesn't know where it is. Okay? This is how we tell him where it is, folks. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Well, guys, I think I'm going to take off, man. I'm going to end the stream. But, wait. Where are we going? You know what? You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to end the stream, but I'll keep playing and help you get where you're going, okay? So, thank you guys for being here. If you like what you see, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Freaking love you guys. Thank you guys. And good night.